Hey everyone, it's Brooke here from Anita Goodesign, and today I have some awesome tips for using felt when you are patching and attaching. So here we have one of our designs from the 50 states, and you can see that we stitched this on a white felt. Now if we are looking to patch this little guy on any of our products, we're going to need to trim it down. So I'm going to take my scissors, and what you need to do is use that satin stitch as a guideline, and we're going to go ahead and trim it down to about 1/4 of an inch, all the way around the design. With your design all trimmed out like so, you can stitch it on the back of a jean jacket, for example, like we did with our Las Vegas design. Now this is really cool because you have this felt finish around the edge, but if you are looking to use a different color felt, that's what's cool about having different options. So if you want to stitch it onto something different, if you don't want this white border around your project, you can also stitch your design on some other colors. So I have a few examples here of what you can use for your projects. We have this cute little bunny collection. You can see for the back of this denim jacket that we used black. It's really great as it kind of creates a little shadow along the design, as this one is a little bit different. So some of our embroidery designs, you can see that we have extra motifs, extra elements that you can't quite get your scissors in to make sure that it's perfectly secured to the back of a said denim jacket. But here we have our little bunny on white, and you can kind of see the difference in the felt. So for this one, it's kind of more of a preference to have black, as it hides those little extra details that you would see in our bunny over here using a white felt. However, the options are endless. If you are using something such as a pink felt or maybe even a different kind of green felt to add extra dimension and detail to your design, you can also use that as well. So this is a good comparison as to why black felt may work a little bit better in other cases when you are patching and attaching, but it looks just as good as our other design. Now I pulled a few examples of some of our other collections. We have our Ladybug, which is in our sewing singles category on our website, and we also have Rosie the Riveter Gnome from our Patriotic Gnome collection. So as you can see here, there is a difference in size, which is also a good thing to talk about when you are creating your patches. You can see that we also used white felt for these as well. If we were to use a black felt for this, you would see that our black in our Ladybug would definitely blend in with that black felt. So if you are looking to use a different color, something that might contrast or compare to your other colors that are in your design, that might be better for you, but white in this case kind of worked out a little bit better. And for Rosie over here, you can see we used white as well, as our navy may blend in with the black, but we could have used a different color as well to emulate this beautiful design. However, whichever way you decide to patch and attach, you can take a look here and see that whatever size you choose to use, you can use felt to make your patches. Thank you all for joining us for our tips and tricks video. I hope this helps you when planning out your next project. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get notified every time we post. Happy sewing!